all these green bombs will get blasted. So the new state will look like this. If this gets blasted, all its subsequent neighbors, and if this one gets blasted, all its subsequent neighbors. Okay, remaining cells are bombs. Okay, this will be our new state. Okay, this will be our new state, and this is state, let me name it as state 5 at 5 seconds. Okay, and this process will go on repeating. Next it will go to this step, and next some other new state or one of this similar state will appear. So this process will repeat like this. Okay, let me erase everything. And if you observe a pattern here, at 6 seconds, 7, 8, 9, you can find that at 2, 4, 6, 8, everything, all the output will be all the cells with bombs. So this will be the output. So we can, if the given in the question, if it is given that n is even, means time is even, then the state will be all the cells planted with bombs. We can directly say that. But for the odd cells, we have to calculate. Okay, let me erase everything. So that's the definition of the problem. And let's see the input and output format. Okay, input format, it is given that the first line contains 3 spaced integers R, C, N. R, C and N. The number of rows, columns, and time at which they want the output. If time is even, then we can directly return output as all zeros, all O's. So if time is even, we can directly tell, but if time is odd, then we have to calculate. Okay, and R and C will be in between 1 and 200. So we can take it as int, there won't be any problem. And N is till 10 power 9. So this also we can take it as int. So there won't be any problem. And 1 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 200 for 40% of maximum score. Okay, this is not needed. And one more thing, it is given that the next R lines contains a row matrix has single string of characters. The dot character denotes an empty string and O represents a bomb. Means R, C, N, and there will be R rows, each of length C, represented with dots and O's. This is initial state. This is initial state of grid. And dot represents empty cell, and O represents, this is big O. ASCII 79 is big O. So big O represents a bomb. Okay, and we have to output the final grid at 10 seconds. So in input they will give some time n. We have to output the grid after n seconds. Grid after n seconds. So it will be something like this. We have to give output like this. Just for example, I am drawing some random things like this. If this is the initial state, then this should be the final state. Like this, we have to give this as output. Okay, that's it about problem statement. Let us see one sample example. Okay, here initial configuration is given like this: dot 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 7 dots 3 6 7. Okay, dot 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 o dot dot dot, and okay, this is state 1 or initial state, and we have given time as 3. Since time is odd, we have to calculate. If it is even, then we can directly return output as all O's, but here it time is odd, so we have to calculate. So this is initial state, and next state will be, to calculate next state I will do like this. Initially I will make all as zeros. I will assume there is bomb in every cell. Since it is given that this is at time 2 seconds. Next, at time 3 seconds, what will happen is all the bombs which are planted before, these bombs will get detonated. Let me color those bombs in second one. Okay, this one and this one, these 4 bombs. These 4 will get detonated in time 3. So our new output will be like this. If this 4 gets detonated, then we can, okay, if this gets detonated, then all its subsequent bombs will also get destroyed. If this one gets detonated, all its subsequent bombs will get destroyed. If this one gets, this one, okay, all these cells will get detonated. So our new output will be like this: O O O dot, since it gets destroyed, and there is no chain reaction, so it won't propagate. Okay, see, this matches with this. So at time 3 seconds, this will be the output. Okay, if time is given as 5 seconds, if time is given as 4 seconds, then we can directly return this state as output. 4 seconds also, even if it's 6, 8, any even number. But if time is given as 5 seconds, then we have to calculate next state from this. I will show that also, so that you will get clarity. Initially what we have to do is, we have to plant every cell with bomb. This will be at time 4 seconds. Okay, and let me color that bombs from previous cell. Okay, what I am doing here is, I am taking one bomb from this cell. I am taking every bomb from this cell, and I am detonating all the neighboring cells. Look, I am taking that bomb, and what I will do is, I will detonate it. Means I will blast all the subsequent cells also. This one, this one, this one. Next I will take the second bomb. Next I am taking this second bomb here. If this gets if the second bomb gets detonated, then all its subsequent cells, this one, this one. Similarly, we have to repeat the same step. So let me color everything directly. This one, there is a bomb here, there is a bomb here. So our new state will be like this. Dot, 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 dot. Okay, if you observe, this is same as initial state. This both states are matching. So at time 5 seconds, this will be the output. Means at time 5 seconds, again the state returns to initial state. So there is a cycle here like this, S1, and let me name it as S2 and S3. S3 is same as S1. So S1, S2, and it is repeating. So at time, let me draw a graph here. At time 0, 1, it will be same as initial state. At time 2, it will be entirely filled with bombs. So I am ignoring that even cases. At time 3, this will be state. At time 5, at time 7, at time 9. So it will get it goes into recursion. So we can stop by doing these two steps. Even if the output is given as 11, we can directly use this recursion and we can do that. But for some states, this won't get repeated like this. I have seen some inputs having this state like this. So initially S1, 0, 1, next at 3, at 5, at 7, at 9. So it gets like into this recursion. So once if we find this cycle, no, then this problem gets completed. So we have to keep in mind to get this graph, like this state graph. That's it.